Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si JomarX, and today, we'll be doing the SPECTRE M4 Gel Blaster. Of all of my gel blasters, this is the one that looks really, really different. Looks so cool. Again, it is modeled from a real steel unit. Actually, even the real steel unit is very rare, so you would not see it that much. But there are some videos in the YouTube. In YouTube, you can easily see it. Just doing a basic search. Okay, let's get back to into this one. This unit is really, really nice. The quality is solid nylon. There are metal parts. Uh, I think this one, the charging handle, the rails, the front. I think even the front side. No, the sides, the rear release of this one, because you can press it here and replace the buttstock buttstock. You can change this one. I think they have a version of this one that has a folding stock, so something to think about in the future. It has a built-in, call this one, sling, but the something stupid in this one is that if you can easily pull this one, there's no lock. See, no, there's supposed to be a lock here, but there's, I think it's far too short. If you insert this one, should be you can put a lock in this side so it will not fall down, but I don't know why it doesn't exist in this one. uh there are no trades in this model other than the safety and the full auto here, only that one. But there are spaces that should have put something. I don't know what they have done. Even the magazine has designs, but no trades. Features. Wow, this one is really different. It looks like I think in the real gun it's ambidextrous. See, but on this side, the I don't know, the full auto on the safety is here. Safe, full. Oops, there's a battery. And full auto and semi here. Full auto, semi. It's a working blowback. See? Nice. Looks nice, but I will going to disable that one in the future because moving part. This one is heavy, so it affects the rate of fire. Features, battery space. Wow, this one is amazing. It has such a since it's in the grip, it has a very big battery location. It fits 2200 7.4 volts. Even but it's hard to install a battery. See, you can fit two batteries on this one. So very nice. I think I'm going to modify this unit to have fit a 7.4 battery and the connectors around here in this area. So because if you put the battery here, there's not 7.4. It fits, but there's no space for the connectors. It's either I put a hole here or I change the grip to a different one, because there's only two screws here and this pulls out. So if you want to remove the grip, there's an option, but it looks very iconic, so I would rather retain the grip. BB capacity, not so much. Well, it's better than the, where's our standard ERP9. It's slightly smaller, but this one is a little bit thicker. As you can see, it's empty. It's only the magazine, because as usual, I do not like units that have a very limited magazine capacity, since this one has a very simple design. It's basically just straight. and the battery compartment is here. I mean the ones that pulls the gel balls to the top. It's very easy to develop this one. See, I already created a left-handed version of a battle mag. So I have lots and lots capacity. I've actually used this already in the game yesterday in the tournament hosted by Team Harot and S Software Group. Shout out to them. Spectre, Spectre. Uh, but unfortunately, glow gels are a little bit too small for this magazine. No, no, I mean for the Spectre's magazine. So I have feeding issues. I think I need to do a mod so that it can accommodate the glow gels. Oh, and one thing also is that it doesn't have a thread. You need a 14 mm counterclockwise to 14 mm counterclockwise for you to able to use hop ups or tracers. I was able to create one in 3D printed in ABS, but unfortunately, my tracer is a little bit too heavy. It broke. Good thing it's easy to just remove the broken part there since it's 3D printed. So I was able to repair it. I'm thinking, oh, this one is also a metal part, so that's nice. I think I might replace this one with an attachment that I can totally remove this and put a thread, so it's easier to install stuff. Because again, as you can see, there's a pin here, retaining pin. I think that's one that's holding this one, and probably the screws here, maybe. When it comes to weight, wow, this is heavy. Uh, since it's basically a one-handed one. With gel balls, it's around 1.5 kilograms unloaded. So, oh, I forgot to tell you, this is a version 3 type gearbox, and it's a metal gearbox. So this is the gearbox used in the usual AK designs. So I haven't opened this part yet. I'm hoping it's a 480 long motor, 480 short motor. So I will have options when it comes to upgrades. So it's amazing. I'm really excited for this model. FPS shoots around 200 to 220 as usual. Barrel is slightly longer than the ARP9. See, so again, very nice. Range without hop up, it barely reaches the uh, 10 to 15 meters. So it really needs a hop up. And when it comes to price, it's around 5,200 from Dexter's Hobby Shop from our group, in not Gel Blasters Manila. Still tired because of the yesterday's game. Uh, Dexter's Shop, link in the description. Please support him. He's the one who keeps ordering weird guns that I like. And thanks to him and more power, I hope he orders more. For me, it has very, very good potential, especially for the gel QB versions. It's not that heavy. Well, it's heavier than the usual gun. It's because it's one-handed. I cannot do a Kimbo style on this one. But since it's a metal gearbox and version 3 type, so it's stronger than the version 2 that type that the Gen 8 uses. Uh, I have very good options when it comes to upgrade parts or upgrade options. If time persists, I might put a DSG on this one because a hand cannon that shoots very fast and very much, a lot of gel balls is very, very, let's just say, advisable. It gives so much potential when it comes to gel blaster games. But anyways, If you have any questions, suggestions, biolot reactions, just put it down in the comment section below and I will answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!